Okay, so to make the little flowers, I'll just show you a little close-up what we've done. I have used the stained glass diamonds. These are quite a handy little one to use, and all I've done is I've softened these 2 points off just with my round wheel cutters. So it's just a matter of holding your cutters on an angle, and you're just biting the side, just ever so slightly, just so you're taking off the point, you've got more of a rounded shape. See? That's all you need to do. And that now becomes a little petal, and you can cut the little end off. I'll show you why in a minute. So that's going to be the start of one of our flowers. So just keep shaping those little points off. So it's just a matter of making that little grating noise on the sides, all you need to do. So that one there, I'm just going to take that end bit off there. That's the start of one of our little flowers. So we'll do a couple of those. Okay, we'll do the little round flowers, which are these ones here. And that's the same thing, using the sticks, cutting a little bit off, cutting in half, and just rounding the 4 corners. That's it there. So I have done a couple already. So they're not a perfect round shape. Stained glass just shapes really easily when you're cutting it, and that'd be a nice little flower. So same thing again, just cut a little bit off and half, take the points off. That's just the 4 points. Soften those points if you need to, just by putting your cutters on an angle and slowly just grinding away. That's it there. To do our leaves, you can also cut using the stick, cut down your glass diagonally. Just same thing again, soften the points. It makes a nice leaf. You want a smaller leaf, just obviously not as sharp. And also cut in half. And that's how I've done our little leaves. I've also got the green diamonds that I've softened off to do petals as well and leaves. Let's have a closer look. That's them there. Right, to finish our little family plaque, we have glued on a acrylic family. This is actually white underneath, just got the brown paper on top. I've glued it on with some Gorilla clear grip, and I also painted it beforehand with some lovely chalk paint, which I think is metallic charcoal black. So that's just to finish it off.